This walking pad has a bar, this one does not. In this video, I'm going to go over what advantages the bar gives you, some of the disadvantages with it, so you can know if you should get a walking pad with a bar like this or just a normal one with no bar like this. Both of these walking pads are made from the same brand, WELLFIT, so they are very similar. They were both sent to me so I could test them out and see how they are. Let me go ahead and plug these in and show you the differences and similarities. Both of these start out at the slow speed of about 0.6 miles per hour. They have similar remotes with an on-off button. They both count down 3, 2, 1, and then they have plus and minus buttons to help you get going. So with the bar down on this walking pad over here, these are essentially the same. They have the same low speed, they have the same high speed. The only difference in this state is that the one with the bar is a little bit longer. So that's a good thing if you like to take longer strides. Other than that though, it doesn't really matter too much. So let me go ahead and put the bar up and let's talk about why you might want the bar. There's a latch here. All you have to do is pull it out, put the bar up, and then you are good to go. So one difference to be aware of is this does have a kill switch, so you have to have that plugged in. You can clip this to you. You don't have to wear it, but it is a good idea for safety. So if you fall off or fall back too far, this will come out and the treadmill will instantly stop. So what do you need the bar for? So the main difference with the bar is obviously stability. It gives you something to hold on to. Now this bar is fairly sturdy and it is nice to hold on to something, but at this slow speed, it's not really necessary. But that's one of the unique things about walking pads with bars is that they almost always have a higher speed. Now, both of these walking pads with the bar down have a top speed of 3.8 miles an hour. So right around 4 miles an hour. Let me go ahead and go up to that speed so I can show you what that is like. So I'm at 3.8 miles an hour right now. It's kind of a speed walking speed, or it's a slow jog, but it's kind of an awkward jogging speed because I want to go a little bit faster or walk, but it's kind of an awkward walking speed because you have to walk really fast. But now that I have the bar up, I can actually go faster. So this will go up to 7.6 miles an hour. And you can see at this speed, I definitely need the bar. I definitely need something to hold on to, otherwise I'm gonna go flying. And the nice thing about this is it does have a shortcut key, so I can press 3 miles an hour. It'll slow me down back to a walking speed. So for me personally, that is why I like the bar, is you have that extra speed where you can go from a really fast walk to a jog to a run. Now obviously the bar does have some drawbacks as well. It makes the walking pad a little bit more bulky, but not really significantly so. And as you saw before, setting up the bar is really quick and easy to do. It takes maybe 10 seconds, so that's not really a big deal. The other nice thing about the bar is it does have the controls up here. Most walking pads come with a really simple remote, and if you lose it, you can't do anything because there are no controls on the walking pad itself. So having the controls here on the bar is a nice backup. The biggest drawback with the bar obviously is the increased price. I would say the two main groups of people who should get a walking pad with no bar are the people who primarily want to use it for a stand-up desk and have a walking pad just to get some movement in while you are at a desk. And the other group of people would be those who really just don't want to jog, who just want to go at a nice walking pace, and you know that you're never going to want to go faster than that. If you're willing to spend a little extra money to get the bar, it adds a ton of versatility. Obviously you can go a lot faster. You've got the stability of the bar. Either option, walking pads are great for getting some movement in, especially if you work from home like I do and you just want to get up every once in a while and go for a little walk even if you're not going outside. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.